Hi everyone, welcome to DT's premiere where technical drawing is made simple. Please like, share, subscribe, and hit that notification bell to support the channel and help reach more students. Let's begin. For this video, I'll be showing you how to construct parallel lines. Now, to construct parallel lines, you would first need the first parallel line. And parallel lines are lines that run in the same direction. They never meet, never cross, and they are equal distance apart. All right. So, for example, an example of a parallel line would be like these two lines running in the same direction. Those are parallel, even though they're of different length. These are parallel. These are parallel. All right, so those are all parallel lines. Notice they are never meeting at any point in time. And if you draw this line going all the way out here and draw this one going all the way out here, they never meet. Now, to construct the parallel lines, this is what we do. First, we need to draw our first line, which is 5, label A, label B. You're going to get your compass. You're going to place the point not at A, but close enough to A and not too far in the middle. So right here is about just right. Open to a convenient radius, meaning not too wide and not too small. All right. And then I am going to, let me open a little bit wider than that. Then I'm going to scribe it's like a little upside down smile slightly. All right, so I scribe an arc, and then I'm going to do the same thing on the other side. Not too close to B, not too close to the middle. Here's about just right. All right, after you have done that, you're going to place your compass, your ruler at the top or the peak of your arcs, and then you're going to draw your line. So this line I want it to look similar to the other one in length. And that's how you draw parallel lines. Now, what if the question asked you to get these lines a specific distance apart? It's quite simple, and I'm going to show you. As usual, you know, we have to darken the lines. So I'm going to show you how to do that. If the question asks you to get parallel lines that are 4 centimeters apart, or let's say 35 millimeters apart. Simple. Place your compass point at 0 on your ruler. Open it to the 35 or the 4 centimeters. Keep that radius. Place your compass point similar to the point where we just placed it. Not too close to A, not too close to the middle. And then you're going to scribe that little upside down looking smile again, or arc. All right. And then we do the same thing on the other side. Not too close to B, not too close to the middle. After you have done that, simple, take your ruler again. Ensure that it's not down here, so you know, and it's not all the way up here. It needs to be resting on the arcs. And that is how you do that. All right? And you draw your lines and make them dark, because that's what the question asks for. There we go. Now, if it is a vertical line, you're going to do the exact same thing. So let me do an example of a vertical line on the other side. Vertical line mean it's going from up to down, or down to up, north to south, or south to north. All right. And you want to draw a parallel line to this, you're going to do the same thing. First thing we do is label A,
B. Alright, get your compass, place the point not too far from A, not too close to the middle, and we're going to scribe. So same concept. Place the point down here, not too close, and we scribe. After you have done that, you get your ruler again, and you ensure that your ruler is oriented correctly. So it should be as straight as the line that is there. Then you place it at the top of these and you draw your line. So same concept. Then you darken the important lines. And this is how you construct parallel lines. That is it for this video. Hope this has been helpful. Have a good one.